Every single time a new camera hits the market, I ask myself this question: is it time for me to upgrade my 1DX Mark II? Should I get the latest and the best technology out in the market? Canon just launched its C80 and 400D. Don't get me wrong, these are amazing cameras. But for the kind of work I do to make content for small businesses or to make YouTube videos like this or for Instagram and social media, do I really need to go and spend all my money on these expensive gear is a question I need to ask myself. To be honest, I have been using this 8 years old camera 1DX Mark II for the last 6 years. And even today, for any shoot, I end up picking up the same camera every single time over my R5C. That's because I know this camera inside out. Somebody once told me the best camera is the one you have and the one you know. Let me share with you some of the footage that I managed to get using 1DX Mark II, even in 2024. So that brings us to the last question of the day. Do you need it or do you want it? If you need it, go ahead, get it straight away. But if you want it, maybe it's worth waiting a little bit. Maybe there's the next big camera launch gonna happen in the next few weeks, next few months, or next season. You never know. And it's the same thing that applies in every aspect of your life. It's your money, spend it wisely. On that note, ciao for now.